Welcome luxury enthusiasts to a journey of unparalleled opulence and regal splendor. Today we embark on an exclusive expedition across the Maharaja Express, India's crowning jewel of the luxury trends. Join us as we unveil the epitome of grandeur where every moment is a celebration of extravagance. Let the royal odyssey begin. Welcome to the pinnacle of Indian luxury travel, the Maharaja Express luxury trend journey, which takes you on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure through the heart of India. The Maharaja's Express stands as a prestigious luxury tourist train under the ownership and operation of the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. Operating primarily from October to April, it navigates four distinct routes across the northwest and central India with a focus on the culturally rich state of Rajasthan. The Maharaja Express is known for providing world-class hospitality and maximum convenience for the experiencing multiple destinations in a short span of time. Owing to the top-notch facilities and comfort that it offers to the travelers, it has been awarded the world's leading luxury train title at the World Travel Awards 7 times in a row from 2012 to 2018. From the magnificent palaces of Rajasthan, world wonders such as the Taj Mahal to the cultural sightseeing, this Indian luxury train covers them all in 4 circuits that it offers. One gets to witness the culture and royal colors of India coming to life as the Maharaja Express train sprinkles across the vast geography of the nation. On this luxury train journey, one gets to explore incredible India in the most luxurious and convenient way. There are a total of 4 unique itineraries that the Maharaja Express has to offer. The train is composed of 23 carriages encompassing accommodations, dining bar, lounge, generators, and store cars. Within these, there are 14 guest carriages providing accommodation with a collective passenger capacity of 84. Noteworthy features include the Raja Club, a private bar and lounge area, along with 2 dining cars and a dedicated bar car. Adding to its amenities, the train is equipped with a water filtration plant. Passengers have access to an onboard souvenir boothie. Within the category of deluxe cabins, there are 5 carriages housing a total of 20 cabins to accommodate 40 passengers. The junior suites category comprises 18 cabins, accommodating a total of 36 passengers. Additionally, there are 4 suites available. The presidential suites occupies an entire rail carriage and includes a separate sitting cum dining room, a master bedroom with the bathroom. This design is reminiscent of the private railroad cars used in the United States. The Maharaja Express offers tours of varying durations ranging from 3 nights, 4 days to 6 nights, 7 days, depending on the specific itinerary chosen. The train operates 4 different circuits, each with a unique duration. The itineraries include the Heritage of India, 6 nights, 7 days, Indian Panorama, Indian Splendor, and Treasure of India, 3 nights, 4 days. The train covers popular locations such as Udaipur, which is renowned as the city of lakes. Udaipur captivates visitors with its picturesque lakes, palaces, and fort. The second it covers is Jaipur, which is referred to as the Blue City and is famed for its blue hood houses, splendid forts, and palaces. The third one is Jaipur, which is recognized as the Pink City and the capital of Rajasthan. The next is Agra, which is home to iconic Taj Mahal. One of the 7 wonders of the world, Agra stands as a must-visit destination in India. The next is Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Ranthambore is renowned for its tiger population, attracting the wildlife enthusiasts. And Viranchi, situated in Uttar Pradesh, is famed for its ancient temples, ghats, and the sacred river Ganges. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.